Ever wondered what happens to your brain while you're asleep? It turns out sleep is one of the most important activities for your brain, and here's why. First, brain detox. While we sleep, our brain goes into cleanup mode. During deep sleep, the brain's lymphatic system kicks in, flushing out toxins and waste products that build up throughout the day. This helps protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. Second, memory consolidation. When you sleep, your brain takes the information you learned during the day and moves it from short-term to long-term memory. So if you want to remember what you studied or experienced, sleep is your secret weapon. Third, emotional regulation. Sleep helps your brain process emotions. If you've ever woken up feeling refreshed after a tough day, it's because your brain was working through your emotions while you were sleeping, helping you feel more balanced. Fourth, learning and problem solving. Did you know that sleep enhances your creativity and problem-solving skills? When you're well-rested, your brain is better at making connections, thinking outside the box, and coming up with fresh solutions to problems. Fifth, brain cell repair. Your brain is always active even when you're asleep. In fact, sleep is when your brain cells repair and rejuvenate. This repair process is crucial for maintaining brain health and function. Finally, stress reduction. Good sleep lowers the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and helps reset your body's stress response. When you get enough rest, you're more resilient and able to handle stress during the day. So why is good sleep important? It's essential for your brain's health, memory, and emotional well-being and cognitive function. Lack of sleep can lead to poor focus, mood swings, weakened immunity, and even long-term health problems. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Make your brain a priority and let it do its magic while you rest. Sweet dreams.
If you like this video, please like it and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our Family Health Guide channel for more health-related videos.